welcome to my apartment tour.
Even if you don't love yourself.
You know, it's Rihanna. Before we get into this apartment tour, let's make some matcha. I gotta turn this up. I have this matcha. It has been pretty good. I got this off of Amazon. And then my cousin just went to Japan and she got me some from Japan. I just used this one yesterday, so we're gonna go ahead and do this one.
That you are loved. Even if you don't love yourself.
We love it. Yeah, all right. Let's get this tour started. By the time that I post this, I'm already gonna be out of this apartment and I'm so sad because I literally only have a couple more weeks here and this was my very first apartment. This apartment was actually my dream apartment, just in my hometown. Like, I would pass by it all the time and I'm just like, for my first apartment, I gotta live here. And that's exactly what happened. I moved here back in February 2025 and it was sort of like my birthday present to me. My birthday is February 28th and so I moved, I believe, within that month. And it was a very, very big step for me. My parents wanted me to stay at the house as long as I can, and you know, I'm super grateful for that. I had no bills, no rent, no nothing. Like, I was simply saving up, but I knew that I wanted to move out and just have my own space. And I am so blessed and grateful to where I am today because I've always been independent, but moving out, I really gained like a different side and level of like independency. Like, it really opened my eyes to see like, okay, yeah, this is hard. And like to think that like my parents have been doing it all these years, and it's just like, I'm blessed and I'm grateful to be able to withhold my own place though, you know. And yeah, all the memories here that I've created and people just coming over, family coming over, friends and family coming over. It's been really, really nice to share my space. And so I'm here to share it with you all. I have a 1 bed, 1 bath. This has been more than enough space for me. And I just love this apartment so much, but it's time to get a move on. Obviously, I'm here in my kitchen, and duh. What I will say is that I never really knew how to cook. My parents always cooked for me. Moving out, it forced me to learn. So I must say that I was just like born to be a chef because literally I have receipts, I have people to vouch for me. My food is, yeah. I love anything that is stainless steel, like chrome looking appliances, and so I just think it looks really clean. And so I have my utensils here, my juicer. I have this blender. I love this blender. It's the best blender I've ever had. It's called the Beast, but it's so good. My rice dispenser here. I freaking love this down. A lot of my stuff right now, since I'm about to move, is empty, but I still want to show you guys anyways my organization. It's looking a little crazy right now, but we're gonna open it anyway. Okay, so I have these like jars that I would put like pasta in. The smaller ones also, like brown sugar in this one and then sugar in the other ones, but I emptied all these out because I didn't have like a lot left of everything that was in these jars, and so I cleaned them all so that they're ready to use in the new apartment. The smartest thing that I ever can think of or that I've done is like I knew the year before that I moved out, I knew that I was gonna move out, and so I bought myself a storage unit. And literally every single paycheck, I was just buying things little by little and keeping them in my storage space, so that way when I did move, I had everything. And it was honestly the best decision I've ever made. Like, it was maybe to have the storage, I had it for close to a year, and it was like $100 a month. This drawer here has some of my spices. I love the organization of this. That drawer also has the same thing for the rest of my spices, but this literally just gives me life, and like, I was so excited when I was doing this. And this drawer, eating utensils are black, which I love, but yes, this is another drawer that made me super happy. Another thing that I will show you before we move on from the kitchen is this dispenser I got. So it's just like automatic. When I take one, yeah. Love that for me. Looking at my kitchen, this door is just like a storage, and we're not gonna open that because, yeah. This is my pantry, and we're not gonna open that as well. But yeah, let's get out the kitchen. Turn this corner, and then this is my washer and dryer. It is stacked on top of each other. Just another view of the kitchen. I have my bar stools here. They have stainless steel chrome looking legs, which I love. I have all my windows up. Like, do you see how much light? Like, look at my kitchen. This is my kitchen. Okay, so moving on to the living room space. So right here is my shoe shelf. My man, he has a lot of shoes, and so my racks weren't big enough for him, so some of his shoes are right there. Me and my man don't live together. Like I said, I got this apartment coming into it solo dolo, and it's been that way this entire time, but now that I'm about to move, we're a new chapter, so you guys will see. You guys know what I'm hinting at. The opposite direction of the shoe rack is gonna be my desk area with my lovely iMac. Love this space down. Of course, my lovely mirror. I got this rug, custom made. I don't know what happened to her page, but yes, if you guys know the picture of Drake, she did it for me. And do I have to say anything at all? Like, this is the main part of my space that I'm super, super proud of, because I've made a lot of home content and I enjoy doing it. Like, I love decorating. I love just being able to create like a space where it's full of like color. Like, especially like for my first apartment, like full of color, just super fun, and then just super me. Like, this is honestly like my safe space. Like, I am a homebody. Like, I would rather stay home. Like, I love this space. Like, hello? Like, hello? Like, would you ever want to leave? So, this artwork, I'm gonna put his stuff down here. I wouldn't say they're my favorite, except for like, but it just, the designs just really meshed well together, and so I was just like, why not? My little friends here, love them. These are literally like me while I'm on my couch. Conversation starter always was just like somebody complimenting my space. My family, my friends, they're always like the first thing, like, my space is like really, really nice, like it's dope, it's cool, it's what all these things. And it's just like, I wanted to create a space where it's like not too girly. Eternity roses, I actually got these when I first moved. Literally the first month I moved, and they still look like in good condition. These are real roses, and they're dipped in some sort of something that makes them last this long, and so every now and then I'll just like lightly dust it. But yes, like, They love this. Like, I really love. Every time I see these, like, I get so happy because it just reminds me of like when I first moved in, and also like I love roses, I love flowers, and so these make me super happy. Here I just have this side table. These are coasters, and then I have these vintage magazines. Of course, my TV area. This bench, I just had a vision, and I was like, this bench would look really cool under my TV. This shelf just has a whole bunch of everything. And I have my rug, my hand chair, and then my poster. And that was my living room. So let's go to my room. My sister is on the iPad right there. She's at work, but we'd be FaceTiming all day. I was supposed to go to work today, but I took off. Even though I'm working from home, yes, I took off. So my sister's on my iPad on FaceTime, and my man on my phone on FaceTime. So yeah, they're here with us. But yes, as you can see, this is my bed. I have this poster here. God is within her, she will not fail. Nothing really special to see. I know it's a little messy. And I know this keyboard is loud, but I like that. Like, I obviously will not bring that into the office, but I love it for when I'm by myself. I love that sound. I have, this is also another one of my favorite verses. Yeah. That is it for my room. This door here is the bathroom, and that is the last thing to show you guys. I'm gonna turn this light on here. Okay, here's my stand-up shower. This rug by my shower. Come this way, sink area. I have this poster above the toilet, cause let that shit go. Like, this rug here says sweet cheese. If you know, you know this scene in White Chicks, and I couldn't help but like put that above. I have my closet, but we're not gonna get too much into it because I'm trying to declutter, and so it might look a little crazy, but you can take a little look at my closet and you're not coming in any further. So I am on my phone now because I was literally just in my room, and then I had my DJI on a tripod, and then like it fell down, and I've never had any problems, but like guys, like look what happened. Yikes. So yeah, nothing happened to the camera, but definitely the screen, and it fell on carpet, mind you, and so yeah, like I would purchase this again. So yes, I'm quick with it. I'm going right after I'm done filming. But yeah, so I'm very grateful that I was able to get everything I needed to record for this apartment tour, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. This was bittersweet for me, and obviously I'm feeling all of the feels. It's the beginning of April right now, and so I literally leave in just a couple weeks, and I don't want to. I don't want to leave. Like, this is actually like my favorite apartment ever. I'm going to move into this apartment complex that's literally right next to my brother, and so I'm gonna be living a dream, which is living next to a sibling. Like, if literally all me and my siblings can just buy a lot and live next to each other and build our future homes, I'd love that. I'd literally be set for life. Like, that is literally my dream. But yeah, like I've said before, like, I'm very, very grateful and so blessed to be able to have this as my first apartment, to be able to take care of myself. Like, this place has been so good to me. This environment, the staff, the neighborhood in general, like it's in a very, very, very good area, and I've just made so many memories here. And I'm just gonna be so sad for moving day, but I'm also happy at the same time for a new journey. I will see you guys in the next one, and the next time y'all see me, I will be in the new place. And so excited. I'm so blessed with what I've created and how I've decorated this space. I'm going to forever remember this place. Cheers to that. Bye, y'all.